Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect your LG Tone earbuds with Android phone. So to do this, first of all we have to simply grab this charging case, open it, input both earbuds inside, and then click and hold one of this touch control panel, just right here, click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking blue. It will take around 3 or 5 seconds. In my case, the pairing mode is enabled automatically, but in the most cases, you have to do this manually. Next, don't close this cover, and you have to simply go to the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, and select your LG Tone from the list. Accept the pairing request, and as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video, hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.